Department of Interior. I don't think people realize how huge Department of Interior is and the footprint that you all have and all the things that you're doing inside that organization, which we appreciate. How do you lay zero trust down in that type of an environment?
Well, it's very difficult, right? We have 80,000 employees spread across the entire United States and, some other countries as well. So it's difficult. I will say this, the last 2 years, really what we've been focused on is, building an organization that can deploy a zero trust architecture across the department. I think, one of the key things for us, one of the things we've really learned in the past 2 years is one of the real key things to being successful with zero trust is really educating and creating a culture of zero trust in your organization. It's not just about implementing technologies, right? It's getting everyone involved in understanding what zero trust means and incorporating it into your daily IT activities. So in the past 2 years, Sean mentioned Department of Education and their approach. They're a close partner of ours. We work closely with their team to understand each other's programs. We're doing a similar approach where we're taking a holistic approach. We've built a DOI-wide virtual zero trust organization. We have 143 people across the department who are part of this program. We've aligned our organizational structure with the system maturity model. We're building strategies for each one of the pillars to deploy what we believe is a zero trust architecture that aligns with the Department of Interior's mission goals. There's many things we've been focused on in the last year, but one of the things that we also found that was important is, looking at, what is our mission? What are our current capabilities in determining how we can mature those? So like Roy said, it's a marathon. It's not something we're going to do, in a year or two. It's not something that we're going to ultimately ever get to a point where we're at, a fully optimal state of maturity. It's something we're going to continue to manage and grow over time. But I feel like we've been pretty successful considering the complex environment that we have to manage, the diverse missions that we have to manage. And it's certainly not a one size fits all. You have to build an architecture that supports your environment. So I think we've made great progress. There's a lot more work to do. We'll continue to work with our partners to keep this moving.